Hey there! Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. They're a relatively new technology, and although there are some advantages to using cryptocurrencies, they're not without their disadvantages. One advantage of cryptocurrencies is that they are decentralized, meaning that they're not controlled by any single government or financial institution. This means that there's no single point of failure, so it's less likely that the system will go down or be disrupted. Another advantage is that because cryptocurrency transactions are generally irreversible, there's no need for chargebacks, which can help to reduce fraud. However, there are also some disadvantages to using cryptocurrencies. One major disadvantage is that they are not yet widely accepted as a form of payment, which means that it can be difficult to find places to spend them. Additionally, because cryptocurrencies are not yet regulated in many countries, they can be more volatile than traditional currencies, meaning that their value can fluctuate rapidly. Another disadvantage is that cryptocurrencies can be more difficult to use than traditional currencies. You need to have a certain level of technical knowledge to use them securely, and you need to be careful to avoid scams and fraud, which can be more common in the cryptocurrency world. So, to sum it up, there are both advantages and disadvantages to using cryptocurrencies. While they offer some unique benefits, they also come with some unique challenges and risks. As with any new technology, it's important to fully understand both the advantages and disadvantages before deciding whether or not to use it. Another advantage of cryptocurrencies is that they offer a high degree of privacy in transactions. While traditional banking transactions are often tracked by financial institutions and government agencies, cryptocurrency transactions are often anonymous and cannot be traced back to specific individuals. This can be appealing to individuals who value their privacy and want to keep their financial transactions confidential. However, this anonymity can also be a disadvantage. Cryptocurrencies can be used for illegal activities such as money laundering and drug trafficking because it is difficult for law enforcement agencies to trace the transaction. This has led to some governments cracking down on the use of cryptocurrencies, which has added to their regulatory uncertainty and contributed to their volatility. Another potential advantage of cryptocurrencies is that they offer lower transaction fees than traditional banking methods. This is because there are no intermediaries involved in the transactions, which means there are fewer fees to be paid. However, this can also be a disadvantage in some situations. Because there is no central authority overseeing the transactions, some cryptocurrencies can be more easily manipulated, resulting in extreme price fluctuation. Finally, it's important to note that cryptocurrencies are a relatively new technology and are still evolving. As such, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding their long-term viability as a form of currency. While cryptocurrencies have gained popularity and acceptance in recent years, it's unclear whether they will become mainstream, widely accepted forms of payment in the future. I hope that provides a bit more context on the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. Let me know if you have any other questions.